Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Swinney, here at the New York Stock Exchange, and it's almost 4 o'clock. That means the markets are almost closed, but there's not as much excitement as usual because today is September 11, 2014, and 13 years ago there was a horrific event that happened a few blocks away that affected not only the people of New York City, the people here, myself directly, being a native New Yorker, but the world as well. So usually I say, let's go out there, have yourself a drink, get bombed, or whatever. But this time, maybe we should just go home and spend time with our families. Yep, that's right. It's family happy hour in New York City. Now, to no surprise, U.S. stocks, they fell Thursday as investors took in President Barack Obama's announcement of increased action against Islamic State militants and a rise in jobless claims. Now, Wall Street got off to a rough start today after President Barack Obama announced Wednesday evening new plans to fight Islamic State militants. This sent caution flags rising, oil prices in flux, and both investors and Americans are all awaiting the next words from the president on, of all days, September 11th, an odd day to say the least for many here to be talking about terrorism. Also, initial claims for state unemployment benefits increased 11,000 to a seasonally adjusted 315,000 for the week ended September 6, its highest level since June. And you team that with some mixed corporate news, then for every 2 stocks that declined today, just 1 advanced at the New York Stock Exchange, where I am right now. And let's take a look to see how the markets have closed out this session. Meanwhile, on the corporate front, Lululemon Athletica rising 16% today after the yoga wear maker said it earned 33 cents per share for the second quarter, beating expectations by 4 cents, with revenue also beating expectations. And lastly, RadioShack rising 10%. This coming despite the company reporting a loss that was twice as large as expected, with revenue also well below expectations on a 20% drop in same-store sales. That's right, RadioShack's up 10%. The stock has lost 95% of its value over the past decade, but RadioShack said it is exploring a variety of strategic alternatives, including a possible sale. I guess that's the explanation. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, spend some time with your family if you can, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney saying, never forget,